Hey there, it's Lawso here, the assassin. This week's topic: why websites matter and why most of them fail. Now, most business owners don't have a crappy website because they chose the wrong platform or design. They fail because they don't understand what a website is actually meant to do. A website isn't a brochure. It's your digital business system. It's where trust is formed. It's where decisions are made. And increasingly, it's where Google and AI tools decide whether to recommend you or not. And before someone ever actually calls you, they've already judged your business through your website. Now, here's the problem. Most websites fail before they're built. The process usually goes like this. The website feels old, it's not getting its results. Someone says, we need a new website. Design starts immediately. Pages may be written in isolation, or we're just using old pages. Marketing is bolted on later or not at all. We've got a different design, we've got the same outcome. Senior leaders are experts in their business, but usually not in marketing systems. They don't see how strategy, structure, content, SEO, ads, and now AI all connect. So strategy gets skipped, and their website is asked to fix problems it was never designed to solve. High-performing websites follow a system. They're part of an ecosystem. They're not a preference. Clarity first, structure second, content with intent, visibility built in, and continuous improvement. You've got to keep updating them. When you understand how websites actually come together, you stop rebuilding. You start building an asset that compounds. I hope you find this helpful.